Hello guys, welcome back to Engineer 1. Today we're going to be solving an environmental engineering problem. In this case, we're given a scenario where we have a water treatment plant and we are told that the treatment plant processes water at a flow rate of 6 million gallons per day. I'm going to highlight that for us. And then we're asked to take a look at a specific settling tank that has a volume of 40,000 cubic feet. And we need to estimate the residence time for the water in that tank as part of the overall process. So I'll highlight that also, residence time. And that is our problem. So I'm going to show you how to solve this. Whenever you have environmental engineering problems on the FE exam, a lot of the time those can be reduced to just unit conversion problems. You just take the data that you're given and you process it to give you what you're asked for. I'll explain what that means. So one of the things that we're given is the fact that we have 6 times 10 to the 6 gallons of water overall flowing through the plant, and we are given the volume of the specific tank we're looking at in cubic feet. So we want both of those units to be the same for our calculations. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert our gallons to feet. So in order to do that, I am going to multiply by 0.134 feet cubed per gallon. That conversion factor can be found in the FE reference manual. You just type in conversions in the search box and it's like the first or second result when you do that. So in this case, our gallons are going to convert to 804,000 feet cubed. And remember that that was 6 million gallons per day. So now we have 804,000 feet cubed per day. Remember that we need to find the residence time in hours. You can see right there. So we're going to convert feet cubed per day to feet cubed per hour. So in this case, we're just going to multiply by 1 day over 24 hours. And that cancels out our days. So we have 33,500 feet cubed flowing through per hour. If I write it over here, it says basically in 1 hour we have 33,500 feet cubed flowing through, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to multiply that by our 40,000 feet cubed. That's going to cancel out feet cubed and it's going to leave me with hours. In this case, it's going to be 1.19 hours. And if you look at our multiple choice, our answer is B. So as you can see, it's like I mentioned earlier, a lot of these environmental engineering problems are really unit conversion problems. You just have to be really careful to recognize what it is you actually are being asked to solve for. So in this case, residence time in hours. We were given a flow rate in million gallons per day. So we converted that to feet cubed per hours in order to be in line with the units that the other numbers we were given were in. So once we had all our units the same, we were able to run our calculation to cancel out feet cubed and be left with hours, which is what we wanted. So if you would like to see more problems like this in the future, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're going to be making more problems about all the FE topics, and make sure to also leave a like and leave a comment with any feedback or any suggestions on what you would like me to cover next, and I'll see you in the next video.